Hi, I'm Caroline Hobbs with Reward Realty. If you're thinking about buying a home in California, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the full home buying process, including how I can help you as your buyer's agent, how agent compensation works, and what the new buyer representation agreement means for you. Are you ready? Let's dive in. We always start with a friendly buyer consultation. This is where we talk about your goals, your timeline, your budget, and the type of home that you're hoping to buy. I'll also explain how I'll support you as your agent. That includes guiding your search, analyzing homes, negotiating your offer, and protecting your interests at every step. Now, before we tour homes, we will sign a buyer representation agreement. This is now required in the state of California starting in 2024. It spells out how we'll work together and ensures you have someone fully committed to representing you. It's not just paperwork, it's a professional relationship that ensures you have an advocate on your side. Let's talk about how buyer agents get paid. Traditionally, the seller offers compensation to the buyer's agent, and that's still often the case. But there are times where buyer compensation is negotiated separately. That's why we talk about it up front, so everything is clear and agreed upon before we start making offers. No surprises, no confusion. Next, we'll get you connected with a trusted local lender to get you pre-approved for a mortgage. This tells us how much you can borrow and makes your offers as strong as possible so you can compete in a competitive market. Once you're pre-approved, we'll start touring homes that match your wish list and budget. We'll look at neighborhoods, evaluate the pros and cons of each property, and I'll give you my expert insight to help you make smart decisions. When you find the right home, I'll walk you through writing a competitive offer from start to finish. I'll explain all of the terms, review the disclosures, and negotiate on your behalf to ensure you get the best deal. Once your offer is accepted, we go into what's called the escrow period. This usually lasts 21 to 30 days and is where we complete inspections, secure final loan approval, and handle all the details behind the scenes. I'll coordinate everything and keep you informed every step of the way. Once everything is approved and signed off on, we'll do a final walkthrough to make sure the home is in the condition you expect. Then you get the keys. Just like that, you're a homeowner. Now, buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. As your buyer's agent, I'll make sure you feel supported, informed, and confident every step of the way. If you're thinking about making a move, let's connect and create a plan that works for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you find your dream home.